Hey vloggy vlog. I'm vlogging on a day I typically do not vlog on. But it's Saturday. And guess who I'm with? In today's video, guess what we're doing? We're going to another baseball game. And we have really good tickets, actually. We have
free tickets.
Yeah, free tickets. And so I'm so excited. Of course, I'm going to vlog the entire thing. So,
and if I look sleep deprived, it's because I am.
Yeah, she actually drove up here all last night or all this morning.
All this morning.
From
2:30
3:30 a.m.
to 11:30.
Yeah, she
Why
got
did it
here
take me
at
that
11:30.
long? It's because I took a lot of stops.
But yeah, so I'm excited. I just really want a baseball cap and a cute picture. That's all, and some good food. That's all I'm saying. All I want.
I know. Hopefully
What
they
do you
have
want?
vegetarian options.
We'll see. The Dirty Birds! This is Courtney, not Sunny. The store, I definitely wanted a Dirty Birds hat, but why is it $22?
$30,000?
Why is it $22? Maybe I can get one of them to buy it for me. You think I can get one of them to buy it? This is much later. I didn't get a hat because why is it so expensive? It's so expensive for what? In West Virginia? In West Virginia. Your thoughts on that?
They were ugly.
Yeah, they were
Or
ugly.
you can try spend for $2 and try to win a hat. No, it's not Dirty Birds ones.
No, yeah, they're ugly.
JK, LOL.
All of these are ugly. I'm kind of sad. That's like, what's the point of me coming here? I definitely wanted a picture, but
All about that content.
yeah.
Getting contented.
Content.
And we are in the, what inning? 7th inning out of 9.
We should get it
Aww.
when you didn't get a hat.
Now we're just, I don't even know where we're going now. We're going back to our table to sit down. I can eat my hot dog since I have my relish and my ketchup.
Dude, those sound so good.
You want me to get a clip of
does?
you for TikTok eating your hot dog? That'd be a good clip.
Closer. They're so big.
Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Cut dope, shot tree with the Draco. On and off got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rap kilo. Stop nose for potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle block.
We are in the 8th inning now. And the score is the score is 4-2. And yes, we are losing. Andy, thumbnail. Okay. Honestly, I don't know when this is going to end, but the fact that we're losing right now is making this a little less enjoyable. I need something to cheer for. And I haven't cheered.
We made TikTok.
Yeah, we did make TikToks. We made 2 TikToks. And I'm gonna look for more to make because I really want some more TikToks. We're making more TikToks.
I didn't even do good on the first one.
And we're finally going into the 9th inning. Courtney's on TikTok. Andy has lost all attention span. She's just looking at everything. And me, I'm also on TikTok, Snapchat, and I'm taking, I don't know, doing everything but watching this game. It's actually pretty boring. Like, most of the innings, no one got anything. It's just pretty boring.
Bro, how would you rate your minor league baseball?
Andy said 5.
I think we should
3.
leave before it ends.
We're in the line.
All right, hi YouTube. We're at the tail end. Anna's finally eating her cold hot dog, and Andy is checked out. And she has put on her mom shades because she doesn't want anyone to identify her.
Now, we can't have the eyes tell what the soul is thinking.
And that's all.
Why not?
The game is over. Andy missed the whole ending. And they're about to do fireworks. Not us, girls. Like it was like,
Kentucky deserved the win.
oh my god. It was like 5-2, so it's not even on the scoreboard anymore.
I didn't know there was fireworks. Oh, hi.
But there are gonna be fireworks apparently, so
excited.
they dimmed the lights. Bro, they're throwing the tennis balls at her, trying to get them in there. And honestly, I'm surprised she hasn't gotten hit yet. But it's like grown people over here throwing these balls, trying to win something.
Now I'm entertained.
Yeah, one just bounced out, so you're not missing much. She's hiding. She's still so unfazed. All those balls went flying towards her. All those balls went flying towards her, and like none of them actually made it in. That's so sad. was anticlimactic.
Anticlimactic.
One person got it.
Yeah. Nobody made it in yet. And she didn't get hit in the face. Like, she didn't get hit at all.
3, 2.
Giving you up. I'm counting the day till you come. I'm counting the way to make you.
God, I'm actually scared of her. These are fireworks. Best part of the night. Take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. Vloggy vlog. So we are home now, and well, Courtney and I are home. We dropped Andy off, and now we're just winding down for the night. That was actually a very fun experience. We both said it. that was pretty fun. I'm not even gonna lie.
Chef's kiss.
Fireworks sealed the deal.
They paid a pretty dollar for it.
Yeah, but so that was very fun. I'm so glad we got to experience it, and I'm so glad I got to vlog it because I love taking you guys along with me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye guys.